Hello everyone, it's Tiny here. Let's talk about human rights. And I want to talk more about international human rights because this involves the whole world, not just one country. So international human rights are inherent universal freedoms and protecting guaranteed to every individual regardless of their background as outlined in the International Bill of Human Rights. These rights based on dignity and equality are codified in international law and treaties and are upheld by organizations like the United Nations, or in short UN, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which is UDHR. 1948 is a foundational document forming the basis for the legally binding International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. And what are the human rights? Inherent and universal, human rights are fundamental rights and freedoms that all people possess from birth, belonging to every single person without distinction as to race, sex, language, religion, or any other status. Based on dignity and equality, they are rooted in the inherent dignity of every human being and the principle of equality. What are the key documents and instruments? UDHR is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It's adopted by the UN General Assembly in 1948. The UDHR serves as a foundation for international human rights law. International Bill of Human Rights. This consists of the UDHR, the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. There's international covenants. These are legally binding treaties that translate the principles of the UDHR into enforceable legal obligation for signatory countries. So how international human rights law works? Governmental obligations. International human rights law imposes obligations on governments. We're talking about all over the world government to act in certain ways or refrain from certain actions to protect and promote human rights. There's also a legal framework. After a country ratifies a human rights treaty, it becomes legally obligated to protect and fulfill the rights recognized in that treaty. Also inspiring national law, the UDHR has inspired numerous national constitutions and laws and serves as a standard for measuring a country's compliance with human rights. So what is the key principles and rights of international human rights? Some fundamental rights protected by the international human rights law include the right to life, freedom from torture, freedom of expression, freedom of religion, the right to education, and the right to work. So that's the introduction of the international human rights.